Welcome, folks. It's FoodSta on Zindagi TV, and we are on this amazing place over here. I mean, Prideinn Flamingo has just surprised us over here. The place is called The Cave. It is at Prideinn Flamingo, and that's where we're having our meal today.
I'm taking you to the Flamingo Cave, and then I'll tell you about the history of this place. Let's go.
Awesome, bro.
Place. But I'll just tell you just a bit about the flamingo, the cave. You see, it is written that 1,585 years ago, this was underwater.
Wow.
Yeah. So the water's gone out, and we've reserved and we've conserved everything. That's why you can see it's all rocky. You can see a bit of wetness because this is what it was.
Oh.
So when you come to the cave, it's that old experience, but
There's some history to it.
Yes, it's history.
We'll get more into that. Let's find out about the food. Chef Ali, Chef Juma,
Yes.
what are you making for us over here
Today
today?
I'm really grilling up some seafood.
Yeah.
We have some prawns, we have calamari, and also some lobsters.
Okay, nice. I can see you have some coconut and all that over here.
Yeah.
Madafu.
This is madafu.
Is that your
Fresh.
secret ingredient?
This is my secret ingredient. We use that one to get. We try to mix up some African and some coastal part of
Mombasa
Africa.
Raha, out here.
Yeah, exactly, Mombasa Raha.
Kutani Mombasa.
Good
Yeah.
stuff. So
Yeah.
as the chef prepares, let's go and have a couple of more words with Victor. One of Kenya's best kept secrets.
Totally.
I'm telling you, I mean, I've come to Mombasa so many times. I'm actually born here, but this is my first time here.
You know,
And I'm surprised how Asnain has just hidden it from all of us.
the thing is, if you know the history about the cave,
Yeah.
and if you look at it and how it's been done, you know, a lot of people, I mean, a lot of guests that we've spoken to have said, could we turn it into a disco? Could we make this? Could we break this? And we said, no. This is natural. We want to keep it here. We want to keep the cave as it was. Yes, sometimes we have bats. Yes, it can rain here. And actually, if you notice, one of the things that was really successful about the cave when we started it is we used to have rain parties here.
Ooh, rain dance.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then so it rained, and then we put up some showers coming down.
Yeah.
So we had rain coming down here.
Wow.
And that just changed the atmosphere. You're at the sea, but not at the sea, but you've still got water. Okay,
Wow.
so that's something that we thought was exciting.
So you don't want to make it into a club, just want to keep it as a private
just want
affair.
to keep it, And then one other thing that came in is we have a lot of parties here, smaller cozy parties.
Yes.
And then people who are coming on honeymoon always choose to have it here. So we can set up for one, we can set up for two. There's only one time we've had one, and I thought it was kinky. So we can start from 1 to 50. Actually, we've even gone to 70. Okay, I think the guy from the one time we started, the guy was not.
He was not
there was
normal,
something, not right.
Oh, thank you, guys. Elvis has come back to life.
Yeah.
So how long has this place been open to the public? Or is it open to the public? Can
It is
anybody
open to
access
the public.
it?
It is open
If
to the public.
somebody comes to the beach over here, they can just sneak in here. Or no?
Normally we've opened it for dinners,
Thank you,
so
Elvis.
that people who are here are booking for dinner
Okay.
and coming here. So we've not opened it for outside. It's just the people who are residents here.
Okay.
But the plan is to open it out to the public because we want to do barbecue next to the sea, fresh, and we get it out. To
Nice. I can see now, talking about sea, you know, he's just got some stuff for us earlier on. I remember when I came in, you had mentioned the cave and everything, and this was a special surprise over here. So let's get down to what we do best.
Yeah.
Is eat. So the lobster, I just love this shot. I mean, look at that. How amazing is that?
Straight
It's
from the
just
sea,
wow.
fire, down to the place.
Oh, look at that, guys. This is awesome. Sorry, Eva. And what is this?
This is actually calamari. In
Calamari?
Yeah, calamari. Everybody's used
Whoa,
to. Everybody's
dude.
used to getting small bits of calamari. We're giving
Look
you
at that, man.
the whole
Seriously?
bit. We're giving you the whole bit. I've seen people cut small pieces. We are into.
Yeah, calamari is
atmosphere
like normally just the rubbery rings. That's it.
Not at Prideinn Flamingo and not at the cave.
Wow, guys, this is an experience. Please, sir. I know we wouldn't be able to finish this, but we can try a bit of everything.
Yep.
Yeah? But I'm speaking for myself,
Yeah, you try a bit of everything. I'll just finish it up.
Okay, guys, I'll try the prawn first. Just grab a bit from here. Hey. Okay. Just lift it out from here. There you go. It's supposed to come off easily. Yeah, it is.
You said you're trying it out, or you are eating the whole of it?
No, it's just a small piece, guys. There you go.
Okay. Tell me. See, moto,
You can tell.
plate.
You can tell it is very fresh, very, very fresh. It's not stored for a couple of days. What I like about it is that it's just simple,
Yep.
and there's not much masala on it, or there's not too much of garlic, or this. It's just you can just taste a bit of coconut. It's like a typical, those nyamachamas you do at home.
Yeah.
That's the style of it over here.
Yeah.
You should give it a go. Let's try what this dude has to say over here.
Try the calamari a la flamingo.
A la flamingo, huh? There you go, that's the lobster, guys. On FoodSta we've had some lobsters, but they've all been very different. And this one also again looks very different. Looks pretty fresh, chomwad nicely, but let's see how's your taste of the prawn?
You can taste the freshness because there's nothing much. See, moto, a bit of madafu,
Yeah.
just to give it that. They
That
talk a lot
flavor.
here. They talk a lot about what madafu does. It gives you, there's a flavor it does, and then it helps you in many, many other things. Apart from it being medicinal,
Okay.
it helps you in many other activities that you would want to do. So you can taste that, and it gives you that feeling that you're ready.
Okay, nice. Let's try lobster. Wow. This is good.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Good job, Chef Juma. Good job. It's very flavorful. And I can taste the coconut and a bit of cream in it. And I don't know, there must be some secret thing he has put in there.
Yeah, Juma and these things, man.
This is a good one, guys.
Go for the calamari.
First time I'm having a calamari like this, guys. First time ever. I mean, seriously, look at this dude, man. It's like, I hope he doesn't wake up, but he's been somewhat nicely. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how this calamari has to say. It's nice.
It's different when you have
It's
the
very
whole
different.
of it.
It's extremely different taste, guys. I'm just trying to figure out a taste. I wish I could come up with a name for it, but I can't. It's tasty. It's edible. It's good. You can eat it and you can enjoy it.
Let's just call it the flamingo taste. Yeah. No, let's add the cave
The cave
flamingo
flavor.
taste. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
The cave. The flavor of the
Awesome,
cave.
guys. So anything else you want to tell our viewers about flamingo?
Flamingos. The good thing about flamingo, if I was to choose one thing, is the heart of flamingo. The team that is here. We've got a very cozy team. We've got a team that are here and want to make sure that you get an experience at this place. So the team is welcoming. They take anything you say personally, and I think you can't beat that. That is where our strength lies, and that's why we get people repeatedly coming in.
Awesome. So I'm going to give you my quick review of the food over here. I mean, you've heard the details. Just going to tell you over here.
Just wait for this now.
When it comes to rating over here, there are 3 items. So, of course, and one which is the topper, but I'll tell you that later. Third one on my list is obviously the calamari. That's because I guess I've never had one. I am trying to get used to the fact that you can actually eat a whole calamari. That's a new experience for me. Second on my list is the prawns over here, because you know, it's just a simple direct taste over here, you know, and you know how windies are over here, you know, we want a bit of chili or a kick into it, so that would have been better. But topping the list is the lobster. I mean, the lobster is flavorful. You can taste the madafu and the coconut, and there is a secret ingredient that Chef Jumai has put. So, but overall, the experience of sitting in a cave under the stars, there's a moon up there, and enjoying this view and enjoying a meal. And trust me, I don't feel like I'm in Mombasa because it's not even very hot over here. And some great stories from Victor. This is an amazing experience. What about you?
I'll sum it up. It's all ArehWah.
ArehWah, all the way, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Sunday, son of Victor. Thanks so much for your lovely hospitality.
Not at all.
The journey continues. Keep watching.